Are you ready to turn your creativity into a profitable business without the hassle of inventory? Discover the magic of print on demand in 2025. Print on demand is revolutionizing the way we sell custom products. Imagine creating unique designs and having them printed only when a customer places an order. Why start a print-on-demand business in 2025? With low startup costs, creative freedom, and rising demand for custom products, the opportunities are endless. Choosing the right niche is crucial. Whether it's pet lovers, fitness enthusiasts, or eco-friendly designs, targeting a specific audience can skyrocket your success. Selecting the perfect pod platform is your next step. From Printful to Redbubble, each platform offers unique advantages to showcase your designs. Your designs are the heart of your business. Use tools like Canva and Adobe Photoshop to create high-resolution, eye-catching products that stand out. Setting up your online store is easier than ever. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy provide user-friendly options to get your products in front of customers. Promotion is key. Leverage social media, influencer collaborations, and SEO optimization to drive traffic and boost sales. Maximize your profits by offering limited editions, upselling products, and staying on top of trends. Customer reviews can also build trust and credibility. Avoid common mistakes like low-quality designs and overpricing. Focus on customer service and analytics to continuously improve your strategy.